because when I wanted to come into data science, I took a very hard look at my resume. You got to take a very honest look at your resume. And I said, hey, this isn't the resume of a data scientist. And I just didn't have the deep skills as a data scientist. I hadn't put in the hours, right? I hadn't put in the hours to create the skills and the mastery. So a big transition part of my life into data science was every Wednesday and Thursday at 2 p.m., I had an appointment with myself. I would go to my Starbucks, my local coffee shop, and I would sit there until they kicked me out. And I would do this every single Wednesday and Thursday, and I did it for months on end. And I would sit there and I would do my own data science studies. I would do my own models. I would write my own articles. I would come up with my own conclusions. I would just sit there and do the work. And keep in mind that I didn't have any interviews. I didn't have any contracts. I didn't have anything lined up. I was doing this for me, for my skills, for my own development. Nobody was paying me for this. It was just like a commitment I made to myself. Like, if I want to be a data scientist, then I'm going to go out and do the work, right? You know, it's funny you asked me this, and the reason why I'm spending a lot of time is because I was thinking about this morning on my walk, and I was thinking to myself, you know, I must have done like maybe not 100, but somewhere between like 50 to 100 EDA exercises on my own before I ever got a job as a data scientist. Like between my schoolwork and like getting like my first like official data science job, I must have done like 50 EDAs on data that I found across the internet. Like, and again, that was just me.